Guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to read about the trading fee in the BitVavo application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you're in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And here in this page you will find the trading section in the account settings category. You can just press on it. And here you should press on the second option, which is trading fees. And here you can read about the trading fees. Essentially, you can see how much you have to pay as a taker, how much you have to pay as a maker, and all the others. Now, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.